Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never.
Alright y'all, what's up? Welcome back. It's time for another freaking grocery haul. So here we are, alright? So, let's start off. We got some farm-raised pasture freaking eggs, whatever the heck. Got some carrots up over here. Some corn. Got some country cabbage in a can. I didn't even know they had cabbage in a can. Got some of this palm antioxidant super tea. A couple of those. Cottage cheese, low fat, because you know we're trying to lose some weight. Banana peppers. First time I had these, but they look super yummy. Wee strawberry French yogurt. Yeah, got a couple of those. We got lemon lime Jello. Some sugar-free dark chocolate pudding. Cantaloupe. Got some of this milk. Not a big milk drinker, but just in case we need it. Here's a pineapple. Look at the pineapple. Is SpongeBob in there? Hello. Got some Dixie cups, just cause. Here's some of the blue corn tortilla chips. I'm gonna use that in something I got coming up, folks. Stay tuned. Got some toilet paper, cause you know after all this food you're gonna need that. Light and fit Greek blueberry yogurt. Some sauerkraut up in there. Wheat Ritz. Honey graham crackers, fat-free mozzarella, yum yum. Got some chicken, which I need for something coming up again. Lunch meat, not a big lunch meat fan, but we got some. Then we got some of these crab snackers. They were on sale for $1. And then this crab thingy, you make some crab salad or something with. Got some of these extreme wellness wraps. Y'all know we love them. Hashtag WW Healthy Living. We got some watermelon, eggplant, red peppers, green pepper, cucumber, bam, bam, there it goes, folks. I hope you're hungry, because this food's yummy, it's healthy, it's good for you. Go get some. And I think the total was about 107, yeah. So, yeah, hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and always remember, be happy, be healthy, and go enjoy some yummy food, folks. See you later. Bye.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that